Hi, I'm Stacy Allen, Director of K-6 Teaching and Learning. We've been working hard this summer to get ready for the new school year, and we can't wait to see you on the first day of school, Tuesday, August 15th. Before the first day though, let me share some important back-to-school information for our elementary and middle school students. Open house is Thursday, August 10th from 3 to 7 p.m. Your teacher postcard will have information on how to sign up for a time to meet your teacher in small groups and visit your classroom. Teacher postcards are expected to be mailed on Friday, August 4th. The reason postcards are mailed out so close to open house is to make sure teacher and student assignments are correct. We often have last-minute changes due to enrollment. If you do not receive your postcard by Tuesday afternoon, August 8th, please call your school. We so appreciate your patience because we know just how excited everyone is to find out who their teacher is and to schedule that open house appointment. As for school supplies, there is a one-time $25 fee that includes all necessary supplies. Unfortunately, due to the rising costs, the supply fee does not include a t-shirt this year. However, if you would still like to purchase one, they are $7. The supply fee and optional class shirt can be purchased online at our district website, or you can pay by cash or check at open house. The only items your student will need to bring to school are a backpack, lunchbox if they plan on bringing their lunch, and a water bottle. It's very helpful for students to arrive at school with a pre-filled water bottle, but if they don't, it's okay. Remember, the first day of school is Tuesday, August 15th. We are so excited for the new school year, and we can't wait to see you.
Here we go. Here we go.